Rania gets paid on the first of every month. And every single month, the same thing happens. Day one, the salary hits. She feels rich. Groceries, bills, rent, all paid. Maybe a small treat. Life feels manageable. Day 10, she's checking the balance more carefully now. Day 20, she's doing math in her head at the supermarket, putting things back on the shelf. Day 28, she's surviving, watching the calendar, waiting for the first again. Then the first comes, and the whole cycle repeats. Rania has been doing this for 7 years. Different jobs, different cities, different salaries. Same cycle, every single month, like clockwork. And here's the thing nobody told Rania. The problem is not her salary. The problem is not her spending. The problem is the entire structure she built her life around. Because the moment you depend completely on one number arriving once a month, you have already lost control of your financial life, whether you know it or not. Today I'm going to show you exactly what changes when you break that cycle, and more importantly, how to actually do it.